Welcome back. We all know very few people would say that beige is their favorite color, but the actual hue of beige is a color name for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Will look quite nice, especially when paired with a gold hinge and trim. Here's a preview courtesy of Evan Blass, who published renders of 3 of the 4 colorways for the Z Fold model. After beige, let's look at the stalwart phantom black color. Well, maybe phantom black, maybe it will have a different name. It looks darker. Not much else has changed since the Z Fold3 days. The hinge has allegedly been redesigned to make the crease smaller. Moving on, we suppose this is the grey-green colorway. Digital images can be misleading for such subtle hues, but green isn't the first color that pops into our minds when looking at these images. Phantom green on the old model was fairly dark and muted too, but at least it was recognizably green. A leaked list of SKUs mentioned a 4th colorway, burgundy red. Unfortunately, that was not part of this leak. It is perhaps a region carrier or site exclusive. That is a shame, since it sounded like the most interesting color. As for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, that one is coming in 4 colors as well, and they'll be livelier than the folds. We have already seen renders showing all 4, but Blass shared images that show the phone from new angles. So for the sake of completeness, here they are. The Samsung Unpacked event for the Galaxy Z Fold4, Z Flip4, as well as the new wearables is scheduled for August 10, less than 2 weeks away. That's it for now. See you in the next one.